What's up? Today we're going to take a look at my new soldering station. That's what we're gonna do. If you need to save space in your garage, because to fit my truck in, I can't have this up. So this stays down until I need to do something. And then it's up when I need it. And then there's stuff. Yeah. All right. So we've got the Hakko FX-888D. And I decided to go with this one. I had one of those rinky-dink, plug it into the wall, wait 5-6 weeks for it to heat up, something like that. And then you could finally do what you needed to do. And I was kind of over that kind of crap. So I spent a little extra money. I'm not saying this is like some crazy expensive deal, but there you go. Hakko FX-888D. I don't know. It's the one I chose. I don't have any more information than that. Stuff. It's got some good weight to it. I like that. So here we are. Get this cord unwrapped here. Do you guys ever wonder why when you get things in a package that have twisters or whatever, twist ties, they've always been wrapped by a left-handed person. Twisters are always in the wrong orientation. But whatever, I guess. Southpaw's got to work too. Looks like we got a sponge. Obviously we have a Fastback 1505. And then it looks like we have a ball of cleaning wire. Get rid of that. So this is kind of cool. This is like aluminum, I'm guessing. Do I have a magnet? I don't. Anyway, this kind of pops open. Kind of put your deal in there. There we go. And so there you can kind of clean up or whatever. Here's the sponge. You can get that wet, kind of do the same thing. But I won't use that. I'll use that. Nice little iron, small, ergonomic friendly. No bonus tips. That's kind of lame, but I guess I'll get some. Another twist tie here. And then we've got our main unit. On-off switch. Temperature, I'm guessing, enter. Does have good weight to it. That's nice. Instructions. You shouldn't read these, people. Come on, you gotta read these. And then, for good measure, I got my stopwatch here because we're gonna time how long this thing takes to get hot once we power it up. Some flux, some solder, some shrink tube, a lighter, and then a sample piece of wire. So this is not an ideal way to make connections. It just isn't. So we're gonna, for testing purposes, make a joint here. All right, kind of got everything set up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power this on. I'm gonna set it to like 600. I don't know if that's right, but that's where I'm gonna start. I'll start the timer first, and then we'll see how long it takes to warm up. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna do it. Let's start the timer. Turn this on. Digital readout, 750. And it's already just taken off. Look at that. So I'll take my wire pieces, dip them in some flux here. Put your heat shrink on. Probably could have done that beforehand, but whatever. Some helping hands would be cool, like those little claw things. So I'm gonna stop the timer. I started the timer first at 50, it's at 55 seconds. I started the timer before I did anything. And according to that, we're already there. To that. To dip. To that. And again, clean off in your wire deal. And you've got a soldered connection. Flux running down my fingers, it's always nice. Let's try something a little different. Let's try a dip, a dip. See if we can pre-tin these a little bit. That's better. My sample solder here is getting low. pre-tinned, which seems fairly nice. That thing works way better than anything I've ever owned. Now, all I have to do is get better. How about that? So there's a look at my Hakko soldering station. It's new for me. Vast improvement over things I've had in the past. And yeah. Now I just have to get better at it. So thanks for watching the most dog shit soldering station video you've ever seen. And I mean, those connections are made. See you later. What a joke.